time, and it gets sold and downloaded and played for years and years and decades on into the future, right? That residual, the royalties is what they call it. We call it residual income, where you do something one time and you keep getting paid month after month, year after year, for years, for decades even. And so I'm gonna show you guys how that works in just a moment. But again, here, just another picture of the different people who are partnered up with us, people from real estate, college students, Alex and Julia Shaheed. Alex Shaheed found out about our company when he was in college. By the time he graduated, he was making enough money. He never even had to go out and look for a job. He never filled out he never created a resume. He ended up retiring his wife from her nursing career, and now they've been stay-at-home parents since he left college. I mean, guys, we have over 300 people who have become millionaires. That means in our millionaires club, that means the company has paid them at least $1 million in total compensation over time. Once you receive $1 million in compensation from our company, then you're inducted into the millionaires club. Over 30,000 people are receiving monthly residual income checks. I know, because I'm one of them. I have been receiving residual income from this company for more than a decade. My job ended 13 years ago. I never had to go back looking for another job. I got sent into early involuntary retirement. Got to work one day and found out that me and a bunch of my coworkers got called into a meeting. They said, "We're sorry to inform you, but all of your jobs actually have been abolished. Today is your last